Hello everyone, my name is Owen. You know me as the Backwoods Barber. First off, I want to mention that we are here today with Superhairpieces. This is their M116 hybrid hair system, which I'm going to show you how to basically take from this, which is fresh out of the package, to on my head. So I'm going to show you everything I do along the way. I'm going to cut it out to my template. I'm going to wash it, get it all prepared, and then we're going to put it up there. So first thing I want to tell you a little bit about Superhairpieces. They are the largest supplier of hair systems in all of North America. On top of that, all their systems are 100% human hair, which is really, really nice. They're really great customer service wise as well. They always answer me back when I got a question. I'm sure that I can get a little bit annoying sometime, but they're always there, willing to help. They ship all the products from North America, which is really nice. I also don't have to worry about shipping because they have free shipping, which is definitely a plus, especially if you're going to be ordering more than one or anything like that. They're not only the largest supplier, but on top of that too, all of their customer service, whether it is email, text, phone, live chat, pre-shire carrier, pigeon, whatever you want, you can get a hold of them with. This one is the M116 hybrid hair system. I chose this one for a couple reasons. For one, it's a hybrid. Here is our hybrid system. As you can see, we have poly edges on it. So these edges are where we're going to put our tape or our adhesive or whatever we're going to use to attach. The rest of it is lace. So because of that, you've got lots of breathability and you've got airflow. And it's going to be great for hot weather. It's going to be great for sweating. It's going to be great for all that fun stuff we're going to be dealing with in the summer. I ordered this. This one is an M116S. The S stands for small. There's also medium and, you guessed it, large. I'm going to be attaching this one using just a standard tape here. So I've got the Walker No Shine Minis. They are a really good tape. I'm excited to try the pre-cut strips because now I don't have to sit there painstakingly cutting out pieces off of a roll. They're even curved a little bit to go around the shape of the system. So I'll show you how to do this. First, flip it inside out, put it right there on that head or whatever you're using. Next, then, we're going to grab the template. We're going to line up the very front of it here with the very front of those threads. That I'm going to do my best to use as much of this space as we can and make it nice and even. So I don't want obviously very much of my system sticking off of it. I'm not going to have to cut much off this. It's going to be great because of that I'm going to have more as that poly edge. Because of that, it's going to make it a lot easier to deal with. It's going to make it easier to clean. It's going to make everything easier, and I don't have to cut as much. So when you're cutting this, you can't just go into it and start cutting. You're going to mess up the hair. Not just mess it up, you're going to cut it. You're going to cut it weird. So you don't want to do that. So the trick is when we go in here to cut this, we're going to keep that point pointed up, rubbing against the bottom of the system. And what that does is it keeps the hair from getting between the blades and getting cut. Yeah, I really didn't have to cut much off this one, so that's certainly nice. Hey guys, so today is install day. The last time I saw you, I got the system ready. I cut it out, cleaned it up, and today we're going to put it on. So, got the top all cleared off, we're ready to go. And I'm going to show you a special trick that's going to help you get it on really easy all by yourself. So check this out. So here is my system. As you can see, I've got it all ready. I've put the tape all around the edges because that's how I like to roll. I did put the tape in the front because with this system, I'm styling it more forward. So I don't really care about the hairline looking perfect because I just want it to hold. So this tape is going to work really good. This is the Walker Extend-A-Bond tape. I find that it lasts pretty nicely and it comes in these wicked little strips. I also sprayed a little bit of the top lock knot sealer on there just to make sure that those guys last extra long. So here's how the trick works, alright? First, put your tape all along the perimeter, but then each little piece, fold up a little corner. With that little corner folded up, it's going to make it a lot easier. So how we're going to do this is we're going to position it first on the head, and then we're going to stick it down. So let me show you how I do that. So like I said, Just put your tape around the cisco first, get those little quarters lifted. And after that, none of the stickiness is showing, so you could have be in position on your. So, get positions, where you want to be, check your hairline and everything, check to the back, make sure you're good. Alright, so here's the finished product. Let's see, Super makes a pretty nice system. I really like it so far. This is nice. It's really good. I'm happy with it. Super Hairpieces, you done it. Thank you. Looking forward to trying a few more of the options in the future. But thanks for watching.